Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
A single spin has fixed odds determined by the wheel layout and prize distribution. Begin by reading the wheel. Count winning segments, losing segments, and special multipliers to compute probabilities. House edge is often between 2% and 10% depending on rules and payouts, so expect long-term losses relative to fair value. Calculate expected value by multiplying outcome probabilities by payout amounts, summing results, and subtracting your stake to see average gain or loss per spin. Use this math to avoid false guarantees and to compare game variance. Set a session bankroll and stick to it, for example 0.0 per session. Decide ahead of time a stop-loss point and a profit target, for example stop after losing 0 or winning 0. Use bet sizes of no more than 5% of your bankroll per spin to limit the impact of variance and preserve longevity. Accept variance and plan for losing streaks using stop-loss and profit targets so emotions do not drive decisions. Record every session to refine your risk plan and recognize when to walk away. No legal system guarantees a win. Treat play as entertainment, not income, and avoid systems promising certainty. Track results and stop when losses hit 50% of session bankroll to prevent ruin and reassess strategy calmly. Look for promotions that increase expected value, like 20% deposit match or reduced house edge events, but read wagering requirements before claiming. Practice on free versions to learn timing and features without spending money. Stay compliant with rules, refuse
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.